Hi, wonderful friends. It's Elizabeth. So we are actually going on a one-day vacation. Can I call it two? It's only one night, but it's 2 days, and we're going to the beach. We've got a hotel. We're gonna take the kids on an end of summer vacation, and I figured it'd be kind of fun to vlog and share with you guys our little trip. So yeah, this is on our new vlogging channel where we're gonna share vlogs once a week, and yeah, if you want to check out our main channel, you can check that out. But I wanted to share with you some of the stuff that we're packing for our one day. It's kind of funny how you're only going for one day, but how much stuff you need. So let's go. All right, since there is a family of 4 of us, I've got everything laid out on my bed here. And this is the bag I'm going to be bringing with me. It's my Nicole Miller New York. It's like a, you know, travel overnight bag. And it's got like the leopard print and the navy handles, and you guys know I love this teal color. So it's a pretty roomy bag. I feel like I can fit everything for 4 of us. My husband kind of likes to pack for himself. I don't blame him. I'm the same way, right? But I've got these Pro packing cubes, and I actually have some from eBags as well. But I did a teal one with my stuff. So pajamas and an outfit for dinner tonight, and an outfit for tomorrow. And I love how these are color coordinated. So then my son has an outfit for tonight and tomorrow and pajamas. And he is wearing, as well as my daughter, are wearing their swimsuits under their clothes since we live close enough to get to the beach today. So there's 2 packing cubes. It's easy to find everybody's stuff. It's not like you're looking all over the bag for everything. My stuff is in here, so when we get to the hotel for the one night, we're not digging around looking for everybody's stuff. Then my daughter, same thing. We've got clothes for tonight, tomorrow, and pajamas. So we'll put these in. I love these packing cubes, guys. They're awesome when we get to the hotel. Then I have our charging cords. I got this, I think, at TJ Maxx. It says take charge, and it has like a little divider in the middle. And then I have my Apple Watch, my iPhone, and our iPad chargers that'll go in here. I'm just gonna push this in the side down here. And then I got this again at a TJ Maxx. This is cleared for takeoff. It's one of those type of pouches, but I figured this would be perfect for my makeup just for one night. So even though we're going for one day, I still need the same stuff I would use if I was going for a week. Isn't that crazy? And then that is it I'm going to be putting in this bag. And I still have room to spare. I won't be picking up souvenirs since it's only one day. This is our toiletries. I got this at Walmart. It's like a caboodles case, but no matter what, whether we go on a cruise or anything else, it's the same essentials. So I've got that for our whole family. And then this is going to be my beach bag. I bought this a while back, I think I feel like it was at Target. Maybe it could be TJ Maxx. It probably was. It's got the rope detail, which I love, and it's got a little sparkle. But I have my husband and my swimsuit in it because we're not gonna wear our swimsuits there. And then I've shared this before for cruises. This is from Walmart. It's a wet bag, so you can put your wet swimsuits in. And then I have 3 sprays I made with essential oils. This is peppermint, which is really cooling for your skin if you've been in the sun too long. This is what we put when we are in the sun. It's a mixture of carrot seed oil, water, I think myrrh and lavender and ylang ylang. So I like that while we're in the sun. That's really nice. We apply that often. And then also after the sun, if we've had a little too much sun, we love lavender. That feels good on our skin. And then I have just a lip balm and a hair tie. The only other thing that I'm keeping in this bag, which is coming with us while we travel today, is a smaller purse. So if we're going to dinner tonight, I can just bring this and I don't have to bring the whole beach bag. So I'm trying to pack really minimal, but what I've got in here, what I've got in here is just a couple things. I have my wallet, headphones, lip, really nice lip color. And then these are the only essential oils I'm bringing for one night stay. And I feel like torn, like I need all of them, but I think I can make it for one night with just these. So in here, I've shared this before on my main channel. I've got peppermint, lavender, energy, pan away, sacred mountain, valor, stress away, digize, and frankincense. I kind of look at these as these are the essentials. Like these are what I would need, you know, on any given day. So I think we'll make it, and then I'll be back with my regular essential oils for tomorrow. So that is what I'm bringing. All right, so that's what I'm bringing on our trip for our one day to the beach. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed to see more videos like this one. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.